everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can export data in ChatGPT. To do that, open the application first and then get logged into the account. Now once you're all logged in, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right, tap that, and from there you need to go to the setting, tap on setting. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model, enabling users to refine and steer a conversation toward a desired length, format, style, and even the details. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that uses natural language processing to create human-like conversational dialogue. So once you're at the setting, you need to go and tap on Data Control. Tap that. In the Data Control, you will see the Account option, and just below that, you will see the Export Data option. Tap that. Your account details and conversation will be included in the export. That is, all the details in your ChatGPT will be present in the file that they will share with you. The data will be sent to the email address that you have registered for the ChatGPT account. So downloading link will be available for 24 hours only once you receive it. So tap on Export Data, and with that they will send you the email shortly with all the data from your ChatGPT. So this is the way how you can easily export ChatGPT data. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.